In regular mattress stitch, you work between the first and second stitches of each side and you pick up 1 bar. That's regular mattress stitch. In this example, because we're going to do it faster, we're going to pick up 2 bars, just like that. You work it the same way as regular mattress stitch. The only difference is you pick up 2 bars instead of 1. And you continue on side to side, going in through the spot where the yarn last came out, pick up 2 bars and pull the yarn through. Go to the other side, into the spot where the yarn last came out, pick up 2 bars and pull the yarn through. Every inch or two, I just like to zip it up. And you can see here it looks the same as regular mattress stitch. It's a really nice join for the sides of this sweater. Let's keep going.